Hello there. A few weeks ago when I was doing my experimental videos, trying out different paints with my white, what I call my white wonder paint, I had some leftover drippings that I wanted to use up rather than save, so I just scooped them up onto a spare canvas and let them dry, and they came out quite pretty, but nothing fantastic. And so today I thought I would use this as a background to use up some of my leftover drippings from my previous pour and do some balloon flowers onto the canvas just for fun, just to have fun and see what I can make. So I'm going to get my balloons, both my larger black one and my little water balloon, and I'm just going to have a play around with the drippings that I have down on my piece of plastic. So I'll get started. Okay, that's enough playing around for me for today. Another way of doing the flowers with using a multicoloured background, and I'm very pleased with the way that's come out. I probably could have done with lighter coloured flowers, but I actually like black flowers. I wish I could grow black flowers in my garden. So I've got black and variegated colour flowers instead. And I'm going to bring it up closer to the camera now for you to see. The colours have come out beautifully. I'm not putting all of the video in. I will be editing out some parts because I did muck around quite a lot trying to get these centres right. I just couldn't seem to get them looking good. I'm very happy with the pink one. The green one isn't quite detailed enough. The gold one is quite nice, and the purple one, well, it's there. So all my little puff balls, I call them, that I've put into place as well, and overall just really pretty and a great way for me to practice with the balloons, because I do love this technique and I think it's so pretty. So that's it for me mucking around on those. I will pick up the rest of my drippings and put them into a container so that I can use them as a background on another canvas. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.